What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rgtrucks TV. Today's video is Carne Asada con Rgvtrucks OTM Edition. Aquí estamos en el estudio. We are back with another video. Y en este video vamos a hablar tantito de la experiencia de OTM. No lo esperábamos. Estaba muy fast. It was too fast. It was good. No fallamos en nada, tuvo todo excelente, nada tuvo mal. Bueno, sí tuvo un poquito mal que we underestimated y no llevamos suficiente merch. That was the only issue. And again, guys, this video is brought to you by ISG Suspension, que sacaron la daga. Sí, que no. There we go. ISG Suspension con el drop de la burner truck.
La burner truck. Todavía no tiene nombre. A ver qué nombre le ponemos.
I don't know. We've been
estamos ahí
trying to get ideas.
A ver qué.
Here and there con el wrap que le vamos a hacer. Then we gotta, incorporate the colors, I guess. So we're still figuring it out. The drink of tonight is, ¿cómo se llama?
Pues es nomás cerveza con Gatorade.
So fuck it.
Vamos a darle.
We're gonna try it. This is a regular Gatorade limón pepino.
Y lo pueden hacer con limón o con regular.
Or regular, right? But we're gonna try it con limón pepino. So we're gonna go half.
Sí.
Half.
Y luego dijeron que puede ser Miller Lite, puede ser Bud Light o Corona. Nosotros agarramos Corona.
Corona Premier. Watch the calories. Oh shit, I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. Sweet and sour. Hey, get back. Get back. Say hello to my
Mira, medio.
my Great Dane.
Bien, ¿verdad?
Sí. Okay. Cheers. Oh, I gotta mix it. I gotta mix it a little bit.
Sí está.
I don't know what to call it. I don't know what flavor to get it. Mmm.
Tiene como
Sabe como beer con limón.
Yeah.
That's a little bit. That's how it tasted. Beer con limón. Quién sabe cómo sabrá con el original. Right? But yeah, it has a very unique flavor. Who come up with this shit?
Sí, está rico. No, pues está como esa que la michelada con Smirnoff. Yeah, espera.
Wow. Well, it's something. I don't know. Have you tried it?
Está rico.
Give us a tip. Le echamos tajín or something. I don't know. I'm not.
¿Cómo? Pues todavía está amargo. No está sweet. Pero necesitamos calarle ahora con el otro. ¿Dónde le calamos?
We'll try el transcurso del video te le calamos. Today, what's on the menu is short rib and sausage and quesadillas. Simple as that. We want to bring more of the talk de OTM. ¿Tú, Snacks? ¿Qué pedazo de OTM?
A mí sí, esta vez me gustó porque estamos acá en el Gold. El Super estaba bueno, pero acá como que esta vez, como Command de Gas y Banda hicieron más el mapa, tuvo un poquito más de flow para el lado de este lado. Sí, eso estuvo bueno. Hubo más traffic acá en este lado que donde estábamos en.
Yeah, it was.
Esto fue lo que me gustó.
It was. Al principio sí, it was kind of medio despacio. But then, that Compas Snacks always does his little videos, so he'll take off. Y esta vez se quedó a jalar el viejo. No pudo ir para ningún lado.
No le dieron chance.
No le dieron chance. Yo más o menos me tuve que escapar. Like, you know what, I'm just going to take off. If I don't take off, I'm not even going to record anything. So the vlog was a little calmadito here and there, a little bit of highlights, a little behind the scenes que hacemos, once we're at the show. Pero, we were able to get most of the action at the burnout pit, which was, el burnout pit estaba malón. Y yo, es una cosa que tengo yo, no es que tenga vergüenza, pero I'm respectful. So when I get to the burnout pit, I saw that estaba on the gas and they were over there, and I was trying to see if I could get their attention back, see if I could go in. And es como quiera, allá va el vato. I tried to go in, and the officer was like, "Hey man, you need a wristband or you need your Alexis. I'm like, man, I'm media. He's like, yeah, well, I need to see something. You know, all the Alexis and everybody's already in here. I was like, bueno, está bueno, but you know, ni modo, it is what it is. And en una de esas viene, I forgot his name, man, el banda y trocas. And he's like, hey, what's up, bro? You want to come and record? I'm like, hell yeah. So, yeah, I go inside and record. Papi, we're recording, compadre. Get back. So yeah, me dejó, and I go inside, and I was able to capture some of the main action.
Lo bueno.
Some of the best action was era Beto, era Freddy y Isma, which was the showstoppers. And they put on a badass show. They put on a badass show. Pinche Freddy se levantó a Isma y luego se levantó a The Gas también. And it was estaba bueno. It was a badass show. Alcancé a ver el choque de Guacala personalmente. No alcancé a grabarlo because I was, like I said, I was behind the ¿cómo se dice? Behind the scenes. Por favor. I was behind the scenes, so I wasn't able to record it, but I saw it personally. Eso pues el pegó macizo, güey. Pegó con todo. I think there was like una de las girls que was doing media, she was like right in front, so I'm wondering if she has video of that one, porque it was like right in front of ella. Oh, pega. And so yeah, como le digo, you know, we were respectful. We didn't want to, you know, be bothering the guys. Yo sé que andan bien ocupados. So.
Pero como que hubo chance.
Yeah, hubo chance, and it's, you know, it's like I've been telling le dije a Carne Game, it's we appreciative of that, porque pues you know, nomás los buenos were able to be in there and record the moments, and we really appreciate, you know, you guys letting us, uno pinche vato del Valle, go and record some of the action. And then we got into the racing, but once we get to the racing, I think it was gonna be Pantoja and Freddy, porque ya habían pasado las otras. My battery died. Los hey, trae mi battery. I forgot to tell them how it was. It's like a little mechanism que tienes que abrir and pull it out. No nomás está ahí el eso. So a little bit of downtime, but I still was able to record Gangbang, which Gangbang was the one that won the race. It was a badass show. I think it's been one of the best shows that we've been to this year. O sabe mejor con un poquito más de Gatorade. You put a little bit more Gatorade than beer, y sabe mejor. ¿Ya ves acá no vean? Papi. Okay, guys, so ya está la carnita en la parrilla. We'll let that cook. We'll still continue the conversation. Le eché un poquito más de Gatorade. It's like, it's a little bit better. Está muy amargón. I don't know. Kind of different, but
Pues sabe limón.
sí sabe limoncito. Ya con ese sí sabe limoncito. Oh yeah, that's way better. ¿Qué más?
Estuvo bueno en otro porque cuando la gente iba a racing, pues toda esa gente que fue a racing, se acabó el racing y ya para atrás, pues otra vez llegaba el rush al boot. No tuvo uno porque mucha gente estaba en ese lado. So, gente que vino, no, quiero comprar merch, pero ahorita vengo. Se fueron a ver la vez y de regreso, venía para atrás, comprar la merch, comprar la cap y los otros pues la hoodie, ¿verdad? Pues estaba muy fresco. Y de volada saltaron los hoodies. Fue el primerito que saltó.
Yeah.
De volada se fueron. Me quedaron una que otra size grande.
Luego. No.
Pero tuvo bueno, este traffic, o sea, de gente que fue al boot, tuvo muy bueno.
Yeah,
Y luego pues con el nuevo setup que hicimos también.
No, but we had a better setup today, and we actually the week before Viernes time, they have an idea for the booth because we usually teníamos. He made a little stand, a little PVC stand, but it was just too much weight que cuando venía al aire it would flip it over. So le dije, ¿sabes qué? Let's buy a bigger board. Compramos un 6x12. Compramos.
Okay.
So it's a little wider. Y digo, ¿sabes qué? We're gonna do this, and that. So yeah, we ordered the mannequins and we kind of did excuse my dance. Get back. Hicimos ya el little display y le pusimos los mannequins todos, you know, en a certain angle y ya quedaron los designs. and we still missed maybe like 2 or 3 designs.
Sí, sí.
So we're kind of rework
Rework el display.
the display.
Mira.
Get back. Get back. Get back. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. I had to put in my dogs inside because they actually want to be in the podcast. ¿Qué más, güey?
Este es el boot que llevamos, el setup, pues ese era un new setup, que eran las camisas enfrente, y luego después hicimos uno para los caps y los lanyards, que ese quedó,
Quedó perfect, güey.
Sí, todo está ahí
organizado. Antes teníamos las caps in the table, right? And that kind of alleviated a little bit, and it looks more controlled, looks more cleaner.
Se miran más.
Se miran más. And then we would have the keychains in one little thing. So they had to like actually pull up and actually see inside. Oh, okay, I want this lanyard, I want this keychain. So ya con ese que hizo este compa.
Come on.
Ya con eso que hizo, it looks way clean. It looks badass. I like it.
Ese queda así.
And a lot of people that were like, hey man, it's fucking badass. Even Perrillo llegó todo like, hey, wait, go in perro el setup. So yeah, we took a little bit of gather up our ideas and we were able to sacar ese little design. It looks a little bit cleaner, and everything's like at reach. Y lo bueno que tiene, the way we did the mannequins, you could actually twist them to see the back and the front. Yeah, you could choose la camisa que quieras. But yeah, I think that's one of the issues that we ran into was not taking enough Chile.
Pero como mucha gente nos pidió, bueno, hicimos release, no hicimos la foto, pero hicimos release de la pantera y ahí se vendió toda. Yeah. Me quedó una que otra, buena foto para que la miren. Pero se vendió de golazo, no hubo chance ni de hacer la post, nada, porque pues la gente le vio ahí, dijo, ¿qué onda? Que pues ese baile, pues y ahí se fue toda. Estuvo bueno eso.
It was nice. I think the whole experience, everything was smooth. We got there Friday. We bajamos la troca. We set up, and yeah, we took off. We got here. We got back Saturday, maybe like around 10ish, and we did have a little dilemma entrando. We went in through one entrance because we of course, we had our gold wristband y todo para entrar, and we get to one end, and they're like, you have to go this way with the crowd, and then there's another entrance on the other side. So we ended up driving over there. Once we get over there, like, nope, you cannot come in through here. This is a walkway. I was like, okay. I mean, I'm like right there. You could stop the people. It wasn't too much people. You could stop them and I'll just cross. And they're like, no, you have to go back to where you came from, and they'll let you use that road to go to your booth. I was like, okay. So I go back over there, drive all the way over there. I get over there, like, no. They're giving you false information. We can't let nobody in. I was like, oh, come on. So they're like, go back. We are going to follow you, and we're going to tell them. So we go back. The Texas Motor Speedway people went with us. We get over there, like, no, cannot let them in. That's what they told us. We can't let vehicles cross through here because there's pedestrians. And I was like, fuck, here we go. And then they're like, okay, we radio back in. Follow me again, and then we'll let you go through there. So we get back to square one, and they still didn't let us in. They're like, nope, you need to exit the premises, go all the way to the main entrance, follow the lines, and then get in. I was like, man, I'm like right here. You can just stop the people I can cross, and I'm already in. Like, it's not gonna be a big deal. And I guess they wanted to argue or whatever. But we were able to get in. Y ya llegamos, we set everything up. And como estábamos setting up, people were just dropping.
Estaban esperando en línea.
We were just, no nos dieron chance de acomodar las cosas bien. And that's another thing that we saw, like, you know what, we need to mover unas cositas. We need to move our little bit. Yeah. Porque we just, man, all day. And we were given a PS5 and a speaker system. Huge shout out compa Pete and Rolly over there at Supreme Sounds, que nos hicieron sponsor una bocina para ustedes. And it was actually funny, y siempre nos pasa, because this is the second time it happened. At the last OTM, que fue en Houston, we took a double din, we took speakers, and the guy...
Un bando de Chemical Guy.
Okay. Era un double din y el Chemical Guy.
El bando, sí.
No era speakers. So the guy wins the double din and then wins the Chemical Guys. So Entonces, para que no se agüitara la raza, I'm like, I'm gonna give out $100. You know, don't leave. I'm gonna raffle $100. So we always get people from the crowd to choose the number. We don't like to choose it because
Niños o niñas.
you know we get whatever bullshit. And the guy wins the $100 as well. So I was like, God damn, that's luck. And on this show, the same thing happened. The guy won the speakers, and he actually thought he won the PS5. He's like, the PS5, like, no man, you won the speakers. Like, oh, okay, so it's all right. And he gave me, he had 2 tickets, so I ripped one off, which was the winner, and I gave him
No,
the back.
no, es que era,
Yeah,
que era ese, ¿verdad, güey?
we were to fight, make sure it was all good. Yeah, lo otro ticket. And again, we had someone from the crowd, you know, un chavalito from the crowd pulling out the numbers.
Dimos una gorra y una camisa.
Dimos una gorra, una camisa before we gave the
Before,
PS5.
yeah.
So we got those winners. And then for the PS5, we pulled maybe 9 numbers.
Yeah.
And no winners at all. Finally, we pick a winner. El mismo chavo. The same guy won the PS5. I was like, damn, that's lucky. Yeah. So I get one of the guys like, hey, ¿cuánto le pagaron para el vato? I'm like, man, come on, bro. Like, you're there standing in front. I'm not choosing the number. The other people are. Like, you can't, you know.
Yes, ahí está el video.
You can't be a sore loser.
Ahí está el video. El chavo dice que él compró una gorra y luego se regresó y compró una camisa.
Como una camisa.
Yeah, compraron 2 cosas.
And you can't be a sore loser, you know. I kind of felt bad, like, man, the vatos, you know. But I was like, whatever. It is what it is. You know, it's pure luck. Pure luck. But it's crazy. It happened at the last shows that we've been to. Yeah, that's it happened. That's crazy. I was like, oh my, that's fucking crazy. So hey, if you see us at the booth and we're giving something away, make sure you buy something and then buy another thing because you might win. We might win both of them. And mucha gente were like, nah, pues it can't be like that. It has to be fair. Like, hey man, it's the luck of the draw. We cannot be like, no, pues ya ganaste, so you can't win again, you know, because they did purchase different entries. So I mean, it's the luck of the draw. And I was badass. I really wanted the PS5 when you called the first winner. I thought it was the PS5, pero era la bocina, so le salió bien el tiro. And I know there was other raffles going on at the same time, and we still had a crowd. Yeah. We still had a crowd, so we're really appreciative of that. That you guys came back and stick with us to win something. I know Scarface was doing a giveaway de los wheels at 6 p.m. también. And when I heard him que me dijo 6 p.m., I was like, fuck, how do I tell the people? Ya le dijimos 6 p.m., you can switch it to another time. So we just ran with it, and it was out on my lawn, see all the people. This time, sí, le dije a mi compa Joe, toma una foto, güey, because I always forget. I always forget to take a picture. Like, toma una foto, güey, please, at the crowd. And if you were in that crowd, appreciate you guys. So yeah, show season for us is officially over. There are some community shows that are going to be here in the valley, but it's not as big as these type of shows. But we're going to attend. We always like to help out the community. Yeah, vamos a andar ahí. But officially, like the season, like big shows out of town and big shows, it's officially over for us. Yeah. Until 2024, we are going to be doing little things here and there for 2024 season. We're going to try and hit up all the shows, like hopefully all the shows. Atlanta, Dallas, Cali, Vegas, Colorado. We're going to try and hit up all those shows. We'll see. We'll see what happens. ¿Qué más quiero decirle?
Pues la Pantera no le hizo este año y menos la Rgtrucks. Los otros que tenemos que no le hicieron.
Yeah, the Rgtruck was in crunch time, and we just posted a video on that. And the reason why it wasn't there. And Pantera, I really wanted to take Pantera, but la trailer que iba a usar el primo, he didn't end up using it after all. Y andaba medio aguitadón. I was like, you know what? I'm taking my merch trailer and fuck it. You know, let's take your truck. So le presté mi trailer, we took his truck. He actually won top 100. That's a really clean Trailblazer. El primo la cuida bien cuidada, and it's like mint condition. It's 2008, ¿viste qué es? 2008. Y está nuevecita, man. Inside, nuevecita. The paint down malona. It's got the 22s actually. The OEM, not the OEM, but it's got the Trailblazer, it says, the 22s. Y se mira bien malona. It looks real nice. Copa Danny. On la 160 también, he also won top 100. So You know, that was their goal to win an award, and it's badass. You know, it's badass.
So
It's
lo
badass.
llevaron.
Le llevaron. You know, you had 100, they had 100 awards, and there was more than 100 trucks for sure. And they were able to win the trophy, and it's badass. A little accomplishment of what you do.
Sí, luego pues hubo chance de ir con la gente, saludar. Pues saludamos a los que ya conocemos. Hubo gente que no saludamos porque pues estaban ocupados.
See,
Estaban ocupados.
we actually went to Saludar Compa on the gas, and
Todos
they had
ocupados.
a line because they were doing the meet and greet, the pictures and stuff, so we weren't able to say what's up, pero pues ya los saludé cuando fui para el Bernard, ya los saludé. And,
Fuimos con el Chapulín, Micheladas, que estaban ocupados. Fuimos con varios y todos estaban ocupados.
estaban ocupados. Sí, como te digo, we went to the Bernard Pig, ahí estaban on the gas, and, but the thing is that they're in their zone, ¿verdad? And for me to just go record them, hey, you know, it's kind of, to me, it's kind of, we'll let them, we'll let them, we'll let them do what they got to do. So, you know, for me, I don't like to andar ahí molestando a la gente.
Sí, están ocupados.
They know what they're doing, and they have like a schedule going, ¿verdad? And I don't know. Será yo, ¿verdad? Or maybe they're used to it, ¿verdad? But we're not used to it. You know, y yo miro que andan ocupados, so I didn't, ¿qué onda, güey? Pero I did, los saludé, you know, los saludé a todos. Acá, without the camera. Pero maybe next time we'll get them on the camera. Hey, vato, you know, say what's up on the camera and whatever. I don't know. No sé. Yo también puedo empezar de like, man, a lo mejor se agüitarán porque pues no salen, ¿verdad? En el video, ¿verdad? Los saludamos, pero no los saludamos con el video, ¿verdad? Kind of me agüito, like, me quedo como, man. Pero I mean, it is what it is. No lo hacemos de mala onda, but I know, ¿verdad? Because I record, right? So I know what kind of agenda you have in your mind, what stuff you gotta do. Y a veces están bien ocupados that I feel like I shouldn't bother them, you know. And maybe it's a clip that they want to do, and I'm gonna record it también, you know. I don't know, kind of like a conflict, I guess. I don't know. Pero yeah, we went to look for todos los compas, saludarlos a todos. Banda y Troca también, they were busy, you know. No podemos saludar. I forgot his name. Le voy a ver el nombre del compa, but we've messaged back and forth, and he was the one that actually pulled me into the my burnout pit y todo el pedo. Está conmigo, guys with me. Vale para adentro, ya, güey, bro. And then should el compa Chap también, pero el compa Chap fue y trajo al camarada también con su kid, because you know they were actually we walked over there to catch some of the action. Y compa Chap se sacó la haga y brought them in. Yo no quería. You know, I don't want to put el camarada en Banda y Trocas on the spot and tell him, hey, güey, ¿por qué te metes el camarada? You know, so they hold on un ratito, güey, and maybe we'll see what's up. Me dijo, Chap, no, we'll bring him, and we, you know, they came into the spectator side, y ahí estaba el camarada, el chavalón bien emocionado, you know, he likes that kind of stuff, and yeah, it was a good experience. We really appreciate los compas que sacan la daga, and let us be close to the action. That's, no cualquiera lo hace y no cualquiera puede. So, yeah, appreciative to be there and get you guys that content, ¿verdad? Get you guys that content. But there was a lot of stuff that we missed just because we were so busy.
Con acá lo bueno
Bien ocupados.
lo bueno que sí vimos en el clip.
Oh, yeah, we did see the clips. Shout out a compa Danny que traba los glasses.
Su gente.
Ahí estábamos. We stopped to sell para ver el
Está
para ver
bueno.
el clip. It was badass.
Duró de las 11 hasta la 1. Hasta tu,
Yeah. And you can see the shadow.
Oh,
Pegaba la shadow, you can see like kind of.
double,
I don't know, it was weird.
double shadow se miraba.
Miré uno, I think it was el vlog de Scarface, andaba un chavo vendiéndolos, los lentes, yeah, $10. $10, hey man, estoy por hustling, bro. But it was a good experience, porque no en todo el United States iba a ver, it was just that certain pad, and it was a good experience. So, okay, so this is the thing. We had Banda y Trocas, we had the Eclipse, and then fuimos a ver a Gabriel Iglesias, Fluffy, at where the place we were staying. Ahí estaba el Sonso chingado, we were able to see, so man, it was a jam-packed weekend. Andaba hecho garras. It's Sunday, I didn't want to get up, but I still had stuff to do. I still have to get merch out, get everything shipped on Monday, and all the orders that came in. So andaba bien ocupado. I still had to do stuff. And then we had to get ready to go get the burnout truck because it was ready. The burnout truck was actually ready on Friday, but we took off Friday. So we weren't able to do the modifications that we need to do, which is the posi, the gears. We want to cam it. The headers, shout out compa Kike for hooking us up with CFM engineering headers para la burnout truck, and I can't wait to put them on the Chile. See how loud is gonna sound. I tengo un cutout que lo voy a poner, electric cutout.
Claro.
Un cutout, and then we'll find un muffle ponerle. Yo quería ponerle alumbre.
Sí, porque
Ahora con el compa Chuy, pongo un, me acuerdo poner
que aviente flames.
¿cómo se llama? Halix. Bueno.
Ah, pues otra vez es Select Diario. Otra vez onda.
Mira, casi todos lo traen. Casi todos tienen de jale. Malón, es la que la gente quiere ver. La gente ve echar lumbre. Es como el Freddy. No más agarrar lumbre, man. The whole crowd went wild. Because that's what they want to see. They want to see you fuck up the vehicle.
Es
No
pues
les
sangre.
cuesta a ellos, ¿verdad? Pero that's what they want to see. Quieren ver que hagas desmadre. So, maybe a little, shoot a little bit of flames. That'd be better. Un two-step o algo.
Dale.
Como la de Suelo Mob, de two-step. Un beso es loud. Shout out, compa Suelo Mob, vecino. There at the show. No, me la pasamos
Sí, tú,
bien, mamalón. I didn't even get to go to the silver section. Lo ocupado que andaba.
Yo fui para allá, porque como yo fui a grabar, pues es que estaban todos parqueados. So, no me eché de cómo grabar, porque pues estaban todos parqueados y todos están haciendo su barbecue pit ahí, y pues para andar ahí entre la gente, pues no.
Yeah.
Pero como que así cansé de agarrar una que otra troca que me gustó mi idea, que no había agarrado yo, así de tomé video. So, a ver si esta semana aviento el video ahí.
Yeah,
Pero, o sea, como te digo, o sea, pues estaba bueno, pero pues para mí como para grabar no estaba bueno porque pues estaban todos parqueados así pegaditos. O, pues, ¿cómo saco yo la troca buena?
Sí, solo vas a poner malo puro highlights.
Nada más
¿verdad?
puro highlights.
The highlights and stuff. There was a lot of nice vehicles.
Sí.
A lot of nice trucks. Pero, man, we were so busy all day. It was
Todo el día tuvo.
crazy. And that's how we had a helping hand.
Teníamos así.
Yeah, every show que vamos tres. This time we were six.
Yeah.
So andábamos, and we were all hustling, bro. Y estaba bien, mamalón. There's something cooking con el compa Chuy. We're going to be doing something soon. Con el compa Chuy lo vamos a arrimar para allá. Algo de caché. I don't know if it's going to be with the burnout truck or Pantera.
No, burnout.
We'll see. Probably the burnout truck.
Sí, porque va a tener espacio para patinar. Aquí pon.
Yeah, la Pantera con que patina.
No, pues no patinamos.
But yeah, the trip was awesome. You know, fuimos y venimos, gracias a Dios, todo bien, no problems. Last year we had a blowout. This year we didn't have nothing.
Nada.
I guess que estaba más fresca la calle.
Era eso, o también llevamos hasta el tronco de cosas que estaba yo bien empezar a traerla. So, había muchas cosas.
It was, como digo, I think it was a good show. It topped out a lot of shows.
Sí.
And there was a lot of people who walked up. I did some autographs. I took some pictures.
Pictures.
That was crazy, bro.
Y la gente preguntó mucho por la pantera. La pantera, pues no la hice.
Pantera, bro. Pantera at the house, abajo del mezquite.
Sí, porque era
Yeah,
mucho.
Pantera, we're gonna do a ceramic coat paint correction on it. You guardarla and just take it out for the shows. The burn truck CSI, we're probably gonna take off the hood. We're gonna do a couple of things to it. We do want to take off the interior, quitarle toda la carpeta, hacerle custom panels para las doors. Ya vi que LEDs ocupamos. We're gonna be doing that, so y'all stay tuned for that video because we're gonna be showing you little details here and there de cómo hacer una burn. So ya vi la roll cage, where to get it. We're gonna install the roll cage también, and yeah, it's gonna be badass. Pero ya me estoy saliendo del podcast del Carne Asada. Pero sí, it was overdue. I think the last podcast que hicimos de Carne Asada was con los compas de Go Hard, Go Hard Podcast. Huge shout out al compa de Go Hard Podcast. Ociel, no te vi. Miré pictures que andaba, pero no te vi, güey. I'm sorry, andaba inocupado. I'm pretty sure you were doing the same thing.
Sí.
That was badass, bro. That was badass.
Y luego nos quedamos un rato para la música, porque pues como estábamos lejos ahí, ¿verdad? Pero sí nos quedamos un rato y pues estaba buena, la música estaba buena. Estaba bien padre.
It was good. Estaba malón. I was trying to look for the guys, como digo, we do the same thing. Man. I don't want to bother them because I know they're busy. Very good, bit closer para la música, pero I was like, man, I'm gonna let them be, que hagan lo que tengan que hacer, and maybe next show we'll figure something out.
Yeah.
But it's just the way it is, man. I like to respect the privacy and I like to respect, everybody.
Sí.
Pero all in all, I think it was a good show. It was
Ah,
definitely
bueno.
a good show, and I'm looking forward for the next show. I'm looking forward for the next show. Hopefully, have the burn show will be ready. The burn show will be ready. Estas semanas, we are going to be taking it to Josh Performance. He's going to be doing all the performance parts on it. And then after that, we already got the wheels. We're going to slap the wheels on that one. Yeah, ¿cómo se ve? It's going to be badass. Yeah, we're going to do our modifications inside. The interior que queremos hacerle. And we just keep everything safety first. It's
Sí.
always on the mind, safety
Safety
first.
first y luego ya lo demás.
And then ya lo demás, because everything can wait. Safety can't wait. Safety has to be first. So that's what we're focusing on para que no te haga un accidente o algo, you never know. ¿Ves cómo guacala? ¡Sopas! That's crazy. That's crazy.
¿Y lo tienes que traer casco? No, ¿verdad?
No, sí. Y nada, tu camarada enseguida con él. Y después se nos saltó la bolsa de aire. Después saltaba así, le fue de los brazos porque iba agarrada de la bar. I would have fucked up his arms. Pero voy, le digo,
Creo que a ver si podemos agarrar un casco chiquito más de lo que es aquí, más para...
voy y lo abrazo. Le digo, abuela, güey, ahí tengo yo Advil. Y me dice, ¿qué es eso? Para el dolor. No, me dice, ahorita sigue la suburba. Pinche loco. Yeah, it was a badass show, man. Hay other things que no hice record, ¿verdad? Pero, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. We're right in the action. We're right in the action. And we got to experience it como no todos pueden. And that's badass. That's badass.
El behind the scenes es el de hacer que cuenta.
Yeah, behind the scenes. Maybe next vlog we'll do a little bit more behind the scenes. Maybe on our way over there. No lo quise poner yo porque dije, empezaba a aburrir la gente, right? It's just the road over there.
Sí,
Y hubo varias veces que sí bajé mi camera. Like, we took it off from Bucky's. But I said, man, I'm not going to record, man. Fuck this. Straight to the action. No talking. Straight to the action. That's why el blog lo hice un poquito más cortadito. Me talking, ¿verdad? Nomás confirmo saludar a la raza. And then, yeah, straight to the action. The burnouts. And then the racing. A little bit of the music. And the weather was perfect. Not hot, not cold. Ya ya empezó a refrescar. Ya me puse mi hoodie. Y sí estaba fresco. We're not used to it. We're from the valley. Y we're not used to it. We're not used to the cold. Baja 50, ya andamos cascabeleando. Ya andamos bajando. Pero estaba mamalón. Really, really appreciative de todos. Del equipo. De nosotros. The fans that showed up. Toda la raza que compró el merch. The compas that did the show. And the guests. Bandas. Y toda la ralea que anda haciendo por lo mismo que andamos haciendo nosotros. Andamos en el mismo ambiente todos, y es lo que nos gusta y es lo que le estamos echando ganas. Así que muchas gracias. I think that's about it, man. We covered everything.
¿Un taco, no?
Le vamos a enseñar un taquito de hoy y con eso cerramos el video. So, vamos a ver. Como pueden ver, aquí es una tortita con su quesito Oaxaca. Cortamos la salchicha al gusto como usted quiera cortarla. No tiene que ser necesariamente así. Ya le pone su salchicha al taquito con queso. Igual, el gusto. Cuanto usted quiera ponerle. No tiene que ser lo que yo le estoy poniendo. Es el gusto. Es al gusto. Aquí ya estamos cortando un poquito más para el siguiente taco. Que lo doy un detallito de cómo se ve este taquito. Aquí estamos cortando la carne. Vamos a echarle su short rib para que le dé ese sabor mexicano. Ya ahí lo tienen. Terminado. Este se llama volcán. Y están deliciosos. Como pudieron ver, el taquito de hoy es, we're gonna call it vampiro.
Vampiro, volcán.
O un volcán, we're gonna call it a volcán. Sausage, costilla, short rib y quesito.
Quesito Oaxaca.
Ahora vamos al salad. Thanks. Vamos a ver. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. Real good. Cheers. Oh my god. The best. Oh, traigo hambre.
¿Cuánto vas a hacer?
Todo lo faltó. Una salsita. Pero sí, faltó una salsita, un
Un jalapeño, algo.
jalapeñito o algún pico de gallo or something. Something.
Algo.
But it was good. It was real good. Era una volcán, ¿verdad?
Volcán.
Tortilla, cheese, whatever cheese you want to use, and then whatever meat you want to use, y sausage. Oh my god, man, I'm super full. I'm super stoked.
Pues así es el recap del evento.
That's a little recap. Appreciate everybody. A todos los que están viendo este video, los agradezco que estén tomando de su tiempo para estar viendo el video. La verdad.
Sí, porque hay muchos videos, hay muchos canales.
320 million videos are uploaded to YouTube every single day. So, si tú estás viendo este video, muchísimas gracias. Viste mucho de una persona. Pues, thanks a lot, bro. It is a lot of hard work, but you have to do it. Y ahorita yo venía pensando ese jale hace rato de cómo no tuvimos chance de grabar, ¿verdad? And we're gonna have to have someone soon que nos ayude a grabar. At least just record.
Que nos haga.
Yeah, I mean, I do all the editing, pero at least someone that helps to record. Porque hay little scenes que, oh man, we should have recorded that.
Que te atrás de ti.
¿Sí me entiendes? Pero it's, you know, we're getting to that point. We're gonna need someone to help us record.
Se le perdió para el Black porque pues yo quiero hacer la movie. Eso pues lo
perdió para el blog.
Pero para el Black sí, que yo sea yo y alguien más que esté con las cámaras atrás.
Yeah, but it was overall 100% being on my lawn. No complaints at all. Everything ran smoothly. I believe everything ran smoothly. No, yo no vi nada.
No estaba windy, no estaba. ¿Te acuerdas que hemos ido a ver si tal? Estaba calmado, estaba. La tent se portó bien. Hemos que
la tent, pórtate bien así.
Sí, porque no me pasaba un mes se movía, era mucho aire, ahora estuvo bien padre, no batallamos nada.
It was a quick in and out. Vámonos. And we had a good team. Appreciate the guys that helped us out. Bien mejoró el equipo que teníamos. Bajamos, set up, sold, metimos, subimos, vámonos. And you know, it was like clockwork. Pero ya sabemos, everybody has a little taste of what's going on.
Sí.
But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video.
Con este se acaba el video. Hasta la próxima. Y denle subscribe, denle like y nos vemos en la próxima.
We're recording.
Vas a ver.
Sí. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rgtrucks TV. Today's episode is Carne Asada with Rgvtrucks, episode 6.
No sé. Ahora te la ponemos ahí en el.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rgtrucks TV. Good. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rgvtrucks TV. Today, guys, Carne Asada OTM edition.
Con Rgvtrucks.
Okay, hold on. Let's do it again. Se me olvidó. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rgvtrucks TV. Today's episode, guys, is Carne Asada. No puedo decir episodio porque no sé cuál episodio es. What's up, everybody? Su compa Lías.
Picante.
Sí, güey. Una salsita.
Un jalapeño, algo.
Just a second, guys. Hold on. That's gonna be it for this video. Tú vas a acabar el video, güey. Te voy a decir que tú lo acabes el video. Te toca a ti decir, güey. Snacks.
Ahora, ¿sabes?
Dile,
¿Qué hizo, güey?
dile, güey.
Es el último video. No, tampoco es el último video. Con este se acaba el video. Hasta la próxima. Y denle subscribe, denle like y nos vemos en la próxima.